The loaders delivers the fermented raw materials to the fertilizer production area and puts them into the feeder machine. Step 1. Crush composts into 40 to 60 mash powder for efficient granulation. Step 2. Screen powder composts after crushing primarily. We crush the large compost lumps after screening. Step 3. Batch fine powder composts as formula requires to make nutrient-balanced fertilizer. Step 4. Blend batched composts evenly and thoroughly. Step 5. Convert mixed composts into granular fertilizer. After granulation, polish granules into beautiful and stronger balls with polishing system. Step 6. Remove additional moisture in granulation for anti-caking and hardness improvement. Step 7. Increase temperature in granulation and drying process to ensure product stability. Step 8. Separate qualified granules for coating to ensure product stability and hardness increasing, while the unqualified will be regranulated. Step 9. Packing coated granules into bags as required specifications. Stack bagged fertilizer granules with smart pelletizer system.